Congratulations on your new purchase from Sealy Kia Kalamazoo. Today we will be taking a virtual tour of our service department to show a few of the services that we offer. Let's get started. If you've scheduled an appointment, you can park your car here in our service drive. Once parked, you are going to walk through the doors on the right-hand side. This is where you are going to find your service advisors.
Welcome to Sealy Kia of Kalamazoo Service. I am Kennedy, one of the service advisors here, and I'm happy to assist you.
While your vehicle is being serviced, we do have a rental program which offers customer pay and warranty rental vehicles. Here at Kia Kalamazoo, we also offer complimentary shuttle services along with pickup and delivery upon request. While your vehicle is being serviced, we do have a couple customer lounges with accommodations to make your visit with us more comfortable.
Thank you for choosing Sealy Kia Kalamazoo. We look forward to serving you and providing an exceptional experience.